don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates won, Mackenzie won. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Steve Ovo. Wazi mina ngijabulile mfowethu. Labantu bebasirasela bathulile manje. Second season. Bangangeni ku top 8. Bazobhala incwadi. Bazobhala incwadi.
Okay, it's
thina siyajabula iChiefs yanzama ithi yapheka akuvuthi ukudla kwabo labantu. Second season mine row bangangeni ku top 8. Bathi bazocela iPSL yenza top 10 la izokhona kuba cover bona. Bathi abadlalela iTata Pack abanamali labantu. Bathatha iNetbank ngekurobha badla iSundowns badla thina ngekurobha futhi siyababongela. They are still celebrating for robbing Netbank. So siyababongela, then they are out from top 8. Hey kunzima ngalabantu. iChiefs ayingelanga ku top 8. iChiefs ayingelanga ku top I think that the Lankuluma came here today. He came here today, bafowethu. Ibe imnandi. Umandla Njigazi. Siyabonga ngamadraw wakho. Asikudingi mandla. Alright. Sicela uchairman wethu Dr. Ivan Khoza asifunele icoach from outside. And siyacela ukuthi udukuduku aba assistant wale coach azayo. Umandla abuyele ku MDC. Sicela udukuduku abe assistants.
Yes. Thank you, member. Sharp.